Hi, Dr. Gaurav Mishra. Welcome you to the weekly insights by WASH Observatory and the Development Management Institute. Let us see what are this week's updates.
Good morning and thank you for joining the WASH Observatory weekly news updates. Here's a quick update on India's COVID count. India's coronavirus case load increased to 7,47,417 on Wednesday, with a single day rise of 22,752 COVID-19 cases, even as the recovery rate further improved to over 61.5% according to Union Health Ministry data. Coming over to Bihar, Bihar reported biggest single-day spike in COVID infections with 749 cases, majority of which around 235 were reported from Patna in the last 24 hours. Now the state's tally is 13,274 with 3 more COVID deaths, taking the death toll in state to 100. Here's another update. The Patna District Administration has reimposed lockdown for 7 days from Friday, and it will remain in force for 4 days in Bhagalpur and Nawada, following the highest single-day spike in COVID-19 cases in the state on Wednesday. Restrictions were also imposed in East Champaran, West Champaran and Kishanganj, while lockdown period in Madhubani since Sunday ended on Tuesday. Only necessary movements will be allowed in Patna from Friday till July 16. Shops selling essential commodities, all health-related services, offices providing essential services will, however, remain open. Religious places will remain shut in this period with no exceptions and no public gatherings. All the central and state government offices will remain closed, except a few exceptions, stated Patna DM Kumar Ravi in his order. Now, a matter of grave concern, the COVID-19 virus is beginning to take a toll on healthcare professionals, with a senior doctor of Patna testing positive on Monday. According to Indian Medical Association, around 40 doctors across the state, including at least 20 in Patna, have tested positive for COVID-19. And now this is something which is really serious, especially for our sanitation workers. Discarded biomedical waste such as PPE suits, face masks, gloves and syringes generated by hospitals, homes and quarantine centers in the state capital are posing a serious threat of further spread of COVID-19 virus. According to Patna Municipal Corporation, around 800 to 1000 metric ton garbage generated from all 6 circles in the city, out of which 10 to 12% are medical waste. PMC Commissioner Himanshu Sharma said the civic body is working with 60% workforce as several people are infected with the disease. We are managing trash collection as well as the waterlogging problem due to early rains. We have given plastic bags to all auto tippers and e-cart and sanitation workers to collect biomedical waste separately in yellow plastic bags, Sharma added. The PMC Commissioner said that awareness campaigns are also being organized with the help of UNFPA Bihar. Civic body alone can't do everything. People should also understand the responsibility to keep medical waste in separate plastic bags for safety of others, he said. There's another story coming up. According to the Postmaster General East Region Anil Kumar, the Bihar Circle of India Post has planned to start Corona Essential Shops, a one-stop store to sell all items including face masks, sanitizers, hand wash and other personal protective equipment being used to protect oneself from COVID-19 virus. Finally, there's some news bringing respite to the migrant workers. Narendra Modi government notified on July 2 that unskilled workers can now participate in the construction of community sanitary complexes under its flagship Swachh Bharat scheme, a priority welfare measure for the government. The arrangement, officials said, would help in getting more hands for Swachh Bharat related construction, and for the unskilled workers opens a dedicated area of work. Manrega's promises 100 days of manual work a year to at least one member of every rural household. Let me tell you, the government is deploying an iron hand to curb the spread of the pandemic. The Patna Municipal Corporation on Sunday sealed 20 shops including grocery and cloth for 3 days and fined around 60 people for not wearing masks and violating the physical distancing norms. The district administration had earlier sealed several areas of Patna city on June 3 from Paschim Darwaza to City Chowk after 63 positive COVID-19 cases were reported on Wednesday night. Meanwhile, flying squads are moving in the city to check whether people are wearing masks and maintaining social distance or not. Patna DM Kumar Ravi said that flying squad had inspected 636 shops and establishments so far, out of which 186 were found violating COVID norms. They were served show cause notice. Meanwhile, the community police are set to carry out awareness campaign for public from Monday. The same measures are being taken in other districts too. Welcoming news for all. The Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) has shortlisted AIIMS Patna for conducting the clinical trial of a COVID-19 vaccine developed by Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech in collaboration with National Institute of Virology, Pune. AIIMS Patna is among the 12 health establishments shortlisted across the country for conducting the clinical trial of the indigenous BBV152 COVID vaccine. AIIMS Patna Superintendent Dr. CM Singh told on Tuesday that clinical trial of COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin will begin at AIIMS on July 10 after the completion of certain formalities related to logistics and other procedures. A team of doctors has been formed for human trials of the vaccine. Its preclinical trial on animals has been successful. We would follow the protocol for clinical trials as suggested by the ICMR, Dr. Singh said. With this, we come to an end of this week's updates. Please send us your feedback on our website. Thank you for being with us.